Carry out preparation work on sill trims and panel bearers for the first panel. Run a continuous length of 90 mm wide perimeter seal down the vertical supports central to the panel module. Ensure that this seal overlaps the drip flashing. Panel bearers should be positioned at a maximum spacing of 1 meter. Ensure that these are lined and leveled so that the panel nose leaves approximately a 5 mm gap off the drip flashing when fitted. Run specified horizontal base seals into, but not across the vertical perimeter seal. When lifting the panels, manual handling should be avoided wherever possible, and mechanical handling equipment should be used. Sit the first panel on the panel bearers so that the liner interlocks. Check that the ends of the panel have the correct land on the vertical supports, and are overlapping the perimeter seal. Once the panel is correctly positioned, fix the top edge with the specified number of fasteners per vertical support. Use the groove within the panel joint to position the fastener, and make sure that the fastener is not over-tightened. Clean away drilling swarf from the joint to avoid rust marks. When fitting the panels, ensure foam-to-foam contact to maintain airtightness and thermal performance. Apply gun-applied solvent-release bedding sealant at the panel ends to seal the gaps at the external and internal joint areas before lapping the next panel. Continue this process to complete your elevation.